What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I am back. If you're here for the first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right. For everybody else, welcome back. I'm here to show you guys a video that's going to explain this mailbox income system. Go check it out at www.mailboxincomesystem.info. Get your free kit today. All right, so stay tuned. Watch this video. Take some copious notes. All right, it's going to explain the comp plan for this program. All right, see you on the inside. Like the video. Smash the subscribe button for me. Click the notification bell. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day. Let's go.
I want to show you why Club Cash Fund is so unique. For just a one-time out-of-pocket $100, you can leverage hundreds and even thousands of dollars coming to you on a weekly basis. Now, before I get into those details, let me first explain what you don't need to do in Club Cash Fund. You don't need any stamps. You don't need envelopes. You don't do any mailings, and you don't need to spend time in line at the post office. You see, the company does all that. Club Cash Fund is in fact an advertising company. Just like any other company that sends out mailings, they send out their advertising kits to people that request them for free. We're paying for this service one time for $100, and they're sending out the advertising kits over and over again. Also, as a basic member of Club Cash Fund, you get 2 training products in the back office. One is about Email Profits Bootcamp, and the second one is Dominating with Free Facebook Strategy. By purchasing these products, you now have the right to resell the products and make your money in Club Cash Fund. This is why the company gets $20 from every sign up. Club Cash Fund also puts you in the company rotator. Now, the way this works is when somebody goes to the company and signs up, they don't have a referral. So what Club Cash Fund did was set up a rotator so every person that joins will have a spot in the rotator. And as these people come in without a sponsor, they'll be given to the next person in the rotator. Therefore, it makes it fair and equal for everybody that's in the club. Whether someone comes from the rotator or comes from someone that you personally send your link, you still get paid either way. Now I'm going to show you how the compensation plan works. Your referral joins for $100. The $100 is distributed out like this. Your name is in position number 1. You get $20, your sponsor gets $20, their sponsor gets $20, and the pro-rotator gets $20. The company in position 5 gets $20 as well. Now, when your referral refers someone, your name is in position number 2. Your referral gets $20, you get $20, your sponsor gets $20, the pro-rotator gets $20, and the company gets $20. I'm sure by now you see how this works. Your name will be in position 3 when one of your referrals gets someone. They'll get $20, and your referral will get $20, and you, of course, will get $20. The pro-rotator gets $20, and the company gets $20. What I'm going to show you now is really exciting. It's the reason I joined Club Cash Fund in the first place. It's because of the leverage that this business creates. Now, what I'm about to show you is for illustration purposes only and is not intended to imply any guarantee of income. In this scenario, let's say that one of your referral signs up 5 people. Well, that's 5 times $20. Of course, they get $100. And your referral would get $100. You get $100. The pro-rotator gets $100, and the company gets $100. Remember, the money is generated from the $100 all 5 paid to join. But look at what can happen when you and your team each sponsor 5 people. You sponsor 5 times $20, that's $100 for you. Those 5 sponsor 5, that's 25 people times $20, that's $500 for you. Now, when those 25 people sponsor just 5 people, that's 125 people times $20. That's $2,500 coming to you. What I'm showing you now is a screenshot of the Club Cash Fund back office. Now, as you can see, some people here are on the leaderboard with just 5 people. Now, at the top of the leaderboard, you see people have anywhere from 20 to 28 people. So what I'm about to share with you is very realistic. So what if you signed up 25 referrals? 25 times $20, that's $500. Now, what if your 25 people just got 10? That would give you 250 people on your team. You multiply that 250 times $20, that's $5,000 in your pocket. Now, remember, these 250 people are your referrals. So if they went ahead and did the same thing and got 10, giving you 2,500 people on your team times $20 would give you $50,000 in Club Cash Fund. Now, this is fantastic. So what do you do now? Just click the button below this video, or if somebody sent you an email or text, just use that particular link. You'll be taken to this site, and all you need to do is put in your name and your email. You'll be taken on the inside where you can watch this video. There's a timer on this video, and when it counts down to 0, you're going to see a box pop up at the bottom that looks like this. And this is where you go ahead and request your free starter kit. Now, make sure you pay close attention, because down here at the bottom of that box, it says request your kit, and you want to agree that I'm requesting my starter kit from, and it'll be the name of the person that invited you to join Club Cash Fund. You want to make sure it's the right person that you're signing up under, so please pay close attention to this when you sign up. And another thing, guys, don't leave the page. Make sure when you go through, you put your name and email in the first section with the page with the money on it, and don't just stop there or go do something else or leave and come back later. That's where you can have problems in signing up properly when you come back. The system is tracked by cookies. So you want to complete the whole process when you're going through, then you won't have any difficulties. But if you do, there's an email that you will have received, and you can go back and click the link in that email from Club Cash Fund, and it'll take you right back here to the form to go ahead and proceed.